Hello guys, welcome to A to Z. Today we'll be seeing how to install and use the Jupyter Notebook inside the Visual Studio Code to run Python programs. So this video will be in 4 steps. First we'll install the Python. Second we'll be installing the Visual Studio Code. In third step we'll be connecting the Visual Studio Code with the Jupyter Notebook, and in the fourth step we'll be running Python programs in the Jupyter Notebook inside the Visual Studio Code. So first of all, we will be installing the Python. We will go to our browser and type for Python download and installation. Here it is. And click on the first link, download Python. And from the official Python site, we will click the download. And from here, you will see Windows, Mac, and other operating systems. From the Windows, we will be selecting this one, Python 1.4.6. And this will start the downloader for the Python exe file, setup file. Here it is downloading. So our Python exe setup file has been downloaded. We will click on it and we will start the installation. Install now. It is installing. So our Python is successfully installed. We will close this file and check if the Python has successfully installed or not. From the command prompt, we will type command prompt from the search bar and go to the command prompt and look for the version we have installed. So to check the version, we'll type python space dash dash version, type version and press enter. And it says Python was not found. If this command doesn't work, try this one, py space dash dash then version. This will surely work. And we can see our Python version is 3.14.16. So we have successfully installed the Python. Now we will install the Visual Studio Code. Again, we will go to our browser and type vscode download and press enter. And we will select the first link. And since we are using the Windows operating system, we will select the Windows. And this will start our downloader for the VS Code setup exe file. So our VS Code setup file has been downloaded. We will click on the folder icon and double click the setup of VS Code editor. We will accept the agreement and click next. We will leave the path as it is. Next. I need the desktop icon, so I will select it. Next and install. And this will start to install the VS Code editor in your desktop. So our VS Code has successfully installed. We will click finish and go to our home page, and we can see that the VS Code has opened itself, and in the home page we can also see the VS Code icon. Now we will connect the VS Code editor with the Jupyter Notebook. So first of all, we will go to our extensions from the VS Code and then search for Jupyter Notebook and press enter. And we can see the Jupyter Notebook support for Microsoft. We will click on it and click install. And this will start the extension installation for the Jupyter in VS Code. And it has been installed. You can see the uninstall button. Now we will install the extension for the Python as well, since we will be running the Python in the Jupyter Notebook. So here is our Python support extension in VS. We will click on it and click install again. And this will start the installation of this extension in the VS Code. And it has been installed. And finally, in step 4, we will be using the Jupyter Notebook inside the VS Code to run Python programs. So we will go to the Explorer, and from here we will click open folder. We will go to the downloads. You can create any folder in your desktop as well. I'm using from the downloads, and I have already created Jupyter Notebook file, and I will select it and select folder, and this will connect the Jupyter Notebook with that folder to create our program files or projects. And from here we will click for new file, and we will name this file project dot ipynb. The file format should be ipynb for writing Python programs in Jupyter Notebook, and press enter. And we will see a familiar interface of the Jupyter Notebook, and from here we will select plus quote sign, and this will allow us to use Jupyter cells for writing Python programs. So let's write a Python program then. So we'll be writing a simple math problem doing a summation. So I will type a equals 5, b equals 6, and c equals, let's say, 1. And I will be summing them under the name of num variable a sorry a plus b plus c, and I'll be printing them out. Print the total is, and I will give a comma after the quotation and type the num variable. And to run it, we can press Ctrl plus enter from the keyboard, or we can run it from the run all. Here I will be using the keyboard, Ctrl plus enter, and once we press this, our code will be run. So it says running cells in Python 3.14.6 requires IPy kernel package. We need to install it. We'll install this one also in order to run the Python in Jupyter Notebook inside the VS Code editor, and it is installing. So with the installation of IPy kernel package, our code will run automatically, and it has printed out the total is 12. We can recheck it by rerunning it again by pressing Ctrl plus enter to see if it is running properly. And once we press Ctrl plus enter, we have seen it has refreshed and successfully run. So this is how you can successfully install Jupyter Notebook inside the VS Code editor and run your Python programs. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.